Hello everyone, this is Steve Alexander. I'm going to talk about my latest strategy today. This is a chart of TQQQ, one of my favorites to trade. And these are the prices. The trades are shown in blue for winners. This is a winning trade, and this one and this one. And the yellow lines are losing trades. This graph at the bottom is the equity that this strategy is making as it goes along. This chart's for about a year, and it's made $136,000 on a beginning bankroll of $100,000. So that's how the performance has gone. Here are the actual figures. This is taking longer than I expected it to, but it is calculating, so here we go. So the total profit for the year from approximately August last year until September this year is $133,000, and we have an open position at the moment, which is $3,000. So it's about $136,000, as you see over here. $136,146. It's won 78% of the trades, so it made 14 trades in a year and it won 11 of them. The performance graph looks like this, and if you want the details, looks like that. So that's what the strategy is doing. It's quite straightforward. It uses something called the linear regression angle. And the name of the strategy is actually called LinReg. I'll show you right here. LinReg, that means linear regression angle. And we can look at the easy language for those of you who want to see that. I'll put something on the chart here in a minute to make it a little clearer. Okay, to see what a linear regression looks like, right on the TradeStation chart tool, right here, this is called a regression channel. If you click on that, one left click, then you can move out into the chart, and if you click and move, it'll show you the regression channel. So I'm going to go from, let's say, here to all the way down here, and actually it doesn't matter whether you're above or below, it'll put the channel where you are. So that is the linear regression channel for that part of the chart. And you can get the tool again and draw another one. And wherever you draw the channel, you can see what the regression channel is. And I saw this and I could see that, when the regression channel is going up, I should buy. And when it's going down, I should sell. And that's what this strategy does. So I'll get rid of these for now. But I wanted you to see what a regression channel is. And now on the easy language, all this is doing here is managing the bankroll and the number of shares we're going to trade. And the crux of the entire thing is right here. If the regression angle is greater than 0 and you don't have a position at the moment, then you should buy. That's all there is to it. And for exiting, I played around a little bit and found that if the regression angle is less than 22 and the market position is 1, that means you are in a position. So if it gets down to 22, then you should sell. And that's what this says here, sell. These things value 1, 2, 3. are on there just to put a mark on the chart so we know when to buy and when to sell, but we know a day before instead of waiting until the actual day to do it. And that's the entire program. On the chart, what you can see is when there's about to be a buy or a sell. Let's see, let me take this one right here. Right here, for example, this is the white bar below is telling us we're going to buy on the next bar. So sure enough, the next bar right here, we buy. That's the price where we would buy. A cyan bar, this blue bar, above the chart, above the price, tells us on the next bar we're going to sell. So, very next bar, we sell. These prices are all done at the open of the following day. So you get the signal on this day, but you don't do anything until the next day. So we got a signal to buy here, we buy the next day. Signal to sell here, we sell the next day. And on this same day when we sold, we got a signal to buy the next day. So we buy here, and then we wait, and here's the signal to sell, and we sell the next day. So that's what's going on. You can probably see what's happening here. This signal is because there have been the four bars had a regression channel that was down. And I can just go over here to the chart and go and look, and the regression channel is, as you see, slightly down there, and so it's going to sell. So that's what's going on with it. Same thing happens with buying if you put a regression channel on it. And incidentally, this chart has been expanded so the channels are much steeper than they show here. For example, this, let's find one over here, right here. If you put a regression channel on here, just prior to this buy, you can find that there we are, we're like that. So these channels are a lot steeper than they appear on that expanded chart. All right, I think that's about it for now. Hope you can use that, maybe make some money, and enjoy it.